Hey guys, the good folks over at Sefaspe sent me over this little welding machine to do a little box opening and give you my thoughts on it and see if it might be something for you. So let's get it opened up and see what we got. We have our cables, got our ground and our stinger here. Looks like you get a little steel brush as well. Looks like it's in a welding hood lens. And our little welder here. We got some more stuff in here as well. Okay, I see. Here's our power cord. Okay, if you're going to run this off a 220, it sends a 220 plug. You can plug this right in, like so. Then you're sitting on the 220. That is nice. They send you some little welding rods. Look, they send you 5 60-13s. User manual here. Now see what the little lens was for. They send you a little welding shield. You can hold that and do your welds. You just take this, slide it in from the back, pull the little clips out just a little, slide that in there, get it in place real good because you don't want it to leak around the edges. And there you go. Just like that. I guess this is the handle that goes on here. Put it on the front, just like that. And there you go. Sit there and hold it like this and do your welding. But we've got a welding hood, so we don't need that. I do like the idea they send this pigtail in case you need to go from 110 to 220. Very nice. And they send you your welding rods. Get you started. Good little tacking rods. Pretty long cord. You just take this, put it in the negative side here, turn it, lock it in. There you go. That's all there is to that. I just measured the ground and the stinger, and they're both about 10 foot long. So they'll reach out pretty good ways. Get this thing fired up and let's try this puppy out. Okay, let's get it plugged in and see what happens. You're gonna have your main power right back here on the back. Kick that on. There we go. Let's see, it goes from 30 to 200. Running about 90 on the steel that we have. We're running on 110 volts. Right below that's 220. It's got some more features on it. I'll list them right over here so you can check them out. Let's see how well she burns. Well, it didn't do too bad of a job. My welding could use a little brushing up on, if you will. But definitely will burn a rod and burns it pretty good. Didn't put a strain on it or anything. I think this will be good for the home user, somebody that just uses it from time to time. You could probably build a small barn out of it, but I wouldn't tackle no big shop, you know. But it does a fine job for small jobs, especially for the DIYers. If you'd like to get yourself one of these, I will put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. Also, if you got any value at all out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. So there it is. Done a fine job. No problem. Definitely a thumbs up. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.